How to draw the Miami Dolphins logo. We are going to begin by drawing a curved line going from the left of our page towards the middle, and then connected to that we are going to draw a curved triangle-like shape for the top fin. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw another line going to the right of our page connected to the top fin. Then we are going to go back to the tail of our dolphin on the left side of our page and draw a curved line. This will start at the very left part of our dolphin and go downwards and to the right a little bit. Great job! Now starting right above the end of that curved line, we are going to start another curved line, but this one will go all the way towards the middle of our dolphin, ending below where the top fin starts. Then we are going to draw another line just like this one that will connect at the left side and then go a little bit below it. For the next step, we are going to draw one of the bottom fins. We are going to draw a straight line connecting to the right of those lines we just finished drawing that will go upwards. Then we are going to draw a long, slightly curved line starting from the right that will connect to the bottom of that straight line, creating the bottom fin. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a line connecting the right part of that fin to the front of our dolphin on the right side of the page, right here. Now we are going to draw two lines near the bottom fin like we did earlier, but these two are going to be above the other ones and end right here. Looking great so far. Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw a detailed line inside of the bottom fin that will be towards the right side. For the next step of drawing our dolphin, we are going to draw two lines going from the right side of the bottom fin all the way to the front of the dolphin on the right side of our page. These will be in line with the two lines that we drew to the left of the bottom fin, right here, and we will continue them to the front. Now we are going to draw the other bottom fin. This will be a triangle-like shape that goes beneath those two lines we just drew. And inside of it on the right side, we are going to draw a thin line for detail. Looking awesome so far. Now we are going to draw another line for detail, but this one is going to be on the top fin. Next, we are going to draw our dolphin's eye. This is going to be a half oval-like shape that's very skinny. Then we are going to draw a small line in the middle, going up and down. Now for the final part of drawing our dolphin, we are going to draw some detailed lines on the back tail and a small piece of the tail that goes upwards above it by drawing a small triangle. Looks amazing! We're all done drawing the dolphin for the Miami Dolphins logo. Now we have to draw the details around the dolphin. For this, we are going to draw a half circle going above our dolphin, and then we will draw one below it as well. On either side of these half circles, it is almost going to touch the dolphin, but not quite. Now starting at the right side of the bottom half circle, we are going to draw a small line going outwards. From this, we are going to draw a U-like shape with the other end going higher. Then we are going to continue drawing these U-like shapes going around in a circle following the bottom half circle that we drew. We will alternate drawing a big U and a small U going all the way around and then connecting it back to the half circle when we get to the left side. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Looks great. Now we are going to do the same thing going around the top half circle that we drew. This is how to draw the Miami Dolphins logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below, and make sure to comment other NFL football teams' logos that you would like to see us draw. If you want to see some other ones we've drawn in the past, then be sure to check out our channel and subscribe. Also, if you want to see our drawing all colored in, stick around until the very end so that you can see how we colored our Miami Dolphins logo. Thanks for drawing with me. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew.
Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.